Hello guys, today I'm going to explain how to fix WooCommerce payment message in checkout page. Few days back I got a message from WooCommerce when I tried to check out using the checkout page that sorry, it seems that there are no available payment methods for your state. Please contact us if you require assistance or wish make alternate arrangements. This was the message I received when I trying to check out, and this message popped up here. So the thing is, this is a screenshot from WooCommerce checkout page, and it is written that I don't have payment methods or delivery methods or something like that, not configured. But the thing is, I configured it, and after I think few updates on the WooCommerce, it is showing this message. So I didn't change any settings or anything, but it was showing this message. It was working right before. uh, Anyways, so I configured it as cash on delivery, and no credit card or something like that was on the checkout page. Everything was cash on delivery. So I went back to the settings and to check if my settings was changed and everything, because this was done by the WooCommerce settings, and I did the settings long time back. To follow and show you the settings, what I did is I went to WooCommerce and clicked settings. In the settings, you will see that there are under payments, there are cash on delivery. So under payments, if you go to under payments, you will see that cash on delivery is selected. So what I did is I disabled and enabled again. I will show it now. What I did is it was enabled, so I disabled. My internet is slow, maybe that's why it is acting very slow. So what you can do is you can disable and then enable. So after disable and enabling, you have to save changes, and then there is another change. It was WooCommerce settings under shipping zone. Under shipping zone, you have the shipping methods, and inside Dhaka or the outside or pickup point or anything like that. So it was. So for me, it was the settings I made before. You have to go to like edit this. There is a link to the edit button. So then again, under WooCommerce settings, shipping zones, the shipping zones you made, for me this is Dhaka city. So then you have to then again disable and enable it, and disable and enable these options you have. Maybe for you have a USA or Indian state where you can enable and disable it, and after enabling and disabling it, you will see that your this message will be gone, and you can go by yourself and act as a visitor and check the checkout page. You will see that this message is gone, and you can easily check out just like before.